in this video I'm going to be responding to a question by one of my subscribers. His name is Charles Anthony. So it started with stating facts, which is virgin hair and raw hair are the same thing technically, which is true. But you know, with most of these Asian companies, they just try to find a way to name the oh man, the hair industry, So normally virgin hair and raw hair should be the same thing. It should mean the same thing. But these days it now seems like, oh, raw hair is like the higher grade while virgin hair is the lower grade. Or raw hair is not mixed with synthetic fibers and virgin hair could be mixed with a bit of synthetic fibers. So, but basically the two of them mean the same thing. It just depends on how the hair company in question standardizes their hair, like how they make the hair, what they call each of the hair extension. At the end of the day, virgin hair, raw hair, it's all name. It all boils down to what really is the quality of the hair. Am I getting 100% raw hair? They also said there are some very good commercial brands available in Europe and North America. I think that was the video I was talking about, the truth about packet Remy or virgin hair. Yes, there are companies who sell packets virgin hair that are made from real human hair extension. Yes, I believe it's possible, but when it comes to here in Nigeria, most of the packets here I see are not 100% human hair. They are probably mixed with synthetic fibers. That's just the reason why I shared my thoughts in that video titled "The Truth About Packet Remy or Virgin Hair Extension." But of course, I'm quite sure there are brands that sell real human hair extensions that are in those packets. And he also said, anytime you apply shampoo and conditioner to your hair, it's a form of processing. Processing. What is processing? Processing. When you apply shampoo and conditioner to your hair, you're not processing your hair, you're washing your hair. So what does washing your hair have to do with processing your hair? Just like me now washing my natural hair. If I wash my natural hair with shampoo and conditioner, does that mean I'm processing it? No, you're not processing your hair. Well, maybe you could be processing, but then come on. Washing your hair is something that you bathe not normally. Would you say you're processing your body when you take your bath? You wouldn't say that. So I don't believe that washing your hair with shampoo and conditioner is a form of processing. It is not. In my own perspective, washing your hair is not processing your hair. It's when it's something like, okay, you're styling your hair, you could call maybe using heat on your hair processing. You could call bleaching your hair processing. You could call coloring your hair processing. Because when you do, I would like to say processing your hair is when you are able to change your hair from one form to another. But with washing your hair and drying and with shampoo and conditioner, you're just cleaning your hair, not changing. You're just cleaning the hair. You're taking out the dirt in the hair. You're not changing the hair from, let's say, blue to black, or changing the hair from wavy to straight. No, you're just taking out the dirt in the hair. Okay, so down to his question now. He says, do you think there is enough raw Vietnamese hair in the market to supply customers worldwide? The answer is no, I don't think so. That's the reason why most of these Vietnamese hair vendors mix their hair with synthetic fibers. Most of these Vietnamese vendors now import hair from other countries and sell this hair imported from other countries as Vietnamese hair. Meanwhile, they are not Vietnamese hair. That's the reason why you find that most of these Vietnamese hair vendors now sell hairs that are not Remy hair. That means the cuticle of these hair extensions are not aligned, so it's prone to tangling, it's prone to shedding. That's the situation I encountered with AZ Hair Vietnam. So the demand for Vietnamese hair extensions is so high that they are unable to meet this demand. So now most of the hair companies are cutting corners. So obviously the supply of Vietnamese hair extensions is not enough to meet the demand for Vietnamese hair. So the next question Charles asked was, how much should a 20-inch bundle of double drawn hair cost? So 20-inch double drawn hair. Let me just say, let me give an estimate. At least the cost price from the factory, the cost price for 20-inch should be at least, it could be lower, but I'll just give an average that it should be somewhere around $65. So one bundle of 20-inch hair should cost $65. So when you want to get 3 bundles, that's $65 times 3. Then if you want to get a closure or frontal, you also buy those ones. Closures and frontals are, if it depends on the size of the closure. If it's a 2x4 closure, it's cheaper. If it's a 2x6, more expensive. 4x4, more expensive. 13x4, 13x6, more expensive. So it just depends on the size of the closure you're going to do. 20-inch hair on the average should cost somewhere around $60 to $70. It could be less depending on the quality of the hair extension. I hope this answers your question, Charles. Thank you so much for leaving your comments. I really appreciate you. Guys, if you got value from this video, please make sure you smash the like button and share this video with your friends who are also going to get value out of it. And please like this video. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you.